Gareth here from Port Monkeys. We're getting off the Discovery Princess today in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And we're actually going to take a tour. So let me find out where that is. Oh, tour. Classic sailing experience. That's not ours.
Yes, you at the...
We're deluxe, whatever. Are you saying they changed the name?
Slightly, because it's not
I'm confused.
the boat that he had in the boat.
Anyway, we're going on a boat. So apparently, all these people got a letter in their cabin last night saying that it's not going to be a sunset cruise. It was supposed to be Deluxe Sunset Sail. But because the sun sets 2 hours after we leave, the ship leaves, so it's just a cruise. Anyway, but I bought my tickets this morning and they didn't say anything. So our renamed tour is Classic Sailing Experience in Banderas Bay. Of course, Banderas Bay is where Puerto Vallarta is. So I don't know what makes it classic, but that's the Discovery Princess. Well, it's 2:30 and Janet is ready to go. This is our group right here. That's our guard. So I think we're going to walk around the front of the ship and there's hopefully a sailboat over there. Puerto Magico. Hey, I'm in Puerto Magico. Here's a little bit better look at the ship. On the other side of that boat is our sailboat. You can see the mast sticking up. Iguana in a frame. Iguana poo. Well, I believe they're going to equip us with a life jacket. So that'll be funny. Anyway, Discovery Princess, Hamilton, Bermuda. I guess it's flying the flag of Hamilton. You can see the infinity pool up there by the flag. There's our crew, there's our ship, and we're pulling out on a classic sailing adventure of Banderas Bay, or whatever they renamed it. There's Janet, she's super happy, but she's wearing a mask, so you can't tell. Okay, well that music is going to become annoying after a while because it's going to interfere with my video. There's the Discovery Princess. I think we've seen that enough now. Here's the boat we're on. It's got some masts and some sails that are covered up. Maybe they're going to hoist them later. I hope. That's what I paid for. Wow, it's beautiful. There's a sign on the side that says security warning, keep 50 meters away or something. So I don't know if they relay that. You got your sea hag on the front, your sea hag flag. And up there on top is the area you have to pay to go in. And a little boat return. There's the ship. We're headed down towards the Malecon right now. Janet's enjoying herself immensely.
Yes, I am. He's on the back.
Oh, somebody's hanging on the back there. Yeah, that's right. They're coming off. Oh, they stopped. They can drive back on. Oh, another one went in. We're close to shore now. Malecon is along there. Just to give you a little taste, that's how much we're rocking. I'm holding this steady. Oh, this is nothing. There was a lot more a minute ago.
Dan.
Anyway. So there's the Malecon. Some people walking on it. Lobster house. It ends down there.
Yeah, we thought about, like we're considering that one, like a lot of these are going to
Of course, if you look closer, you can still see the ship. There's Janet sailing. There's the Malecon. That's the River Quale. There's an island there that has a bunch of little kiosks or shops or whatever. Captain Marcos. Well, I don't know how far we're going down. They got music playing really loud right above me. If I come over here, maybe it won't be so loud. I keep trying to show you the wave action we're experiencing, like that. The camera I'm holding very still with the ship, horizontal. But we're moving very slow, just a couple of knots, and the waves are really hitting us. They had the sail up for a little while, but they took it back down. I don't know if it's coming back up again or not. Crossing through an area of, I don't know, red tide? You see it out there? How red it is? Raise that up. I think our tour's about halfway over, so we've turned and come around, so I don't know what that is. So we may be heading back now. Of course, you can still see the ship right there. So Janet does not feel very well. Of course, we've been just rolling with the waves the whole time. Bob Marley blasting right above my head, so I'm not going to stop talking so you can hear what I'm saying. And she's wearing half a scopolamine patch too, so be careful out here. Our tour is over. We're back at the ship there, as you can plainly see, and we're back about a half an hour early. So I don't know, I'm a little disappointed with it. Oh, we never hoisted the sails. One of the crew said the people in the front of the boat were afraid when they started to unfurl the jib. So anyway, that's our tour. Look at the little sun on the front. I didn't notice that before. I'm holding on. So these guys came down to check. Watch out for that rope. All right. Thank you very much. So, our sailing boat day is over. Eco Sail, Cap Novta. I don't know if that's the name of the boat or not. Or if Eco Sail is the name. That's what they have on their shirts. Ooh, Discovery Princess. So, that was our sunset sail, which became traditional sailing or something. I'll write it in the video. And yeah, we're back a half an hour early. We never sailed. So Janet wants to say something to you.
From Puerto Vallarta, this is Janet
And Gareth.
saying, Port Monkeys out.
See you in the next port. Bye. This is the Discovery Princess leaving Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So first we used the thrusters to shoot out from the dock. So there's Puerto Vallarta. And they backed in, or they did a 180. And so we just get to go straight out. 2 days at sea and we're at home. Notice they didn't fly the flag today. Adios, Puerto Vallarta. Now we're heading out to sea. We were docked right there. Scooted the back end around, took off. There's the flea market right there. Mall, and that's Gold Beach, Playa del Oro. So you can walk to that beach from the shore pretty easily. You just have to walk along that building. Opening in the fence and everything. It's not restricted. Beaches in Mexico are public. It's a pretty nice beach. Of course, we want to go to the Malecon. That's our pilot.